Well, good morning, everybody. This morning, I was playing around with one of the valves here. These are pressure relief valves. Now, they suck because you get dirty brass for them when they're like this. Because of that steel spring, that's aluminum right there, but I think that's a copper anode. But I ended up fiddling around and pulling one apart. Now, we're going to see if we can't do it again, maybe make it a little easier for some of you guys. So I just got a pair of side cutters. I'm going to take off that top piece, and that just pulls out like that. That pops off. Yeah, this one's a little bit different. So I'm going to try we can't bend this back. As the other one, I was able to pop out. And just get the thing right out of there. But I don't know about that one. The thing that sucks is, let's see what happens here. Yeah, there's a lip on that. That one's going to be the same, I'll bet, yeah. Yep. Okay, hold on. Okay, what I didn't show you is I just took this piece over to my vise, and I just used a hammer, pounded it on either side to distort it, and if you look right there, that piece separated up now. So what we can try to do is peel that up out of the brass valve like that, and there it goes. But that's brass right there. That anode pops out. It might be copper. You might get dirty copper for it, I don't know. But that is that. Nice piece of clean brass. Now let's see what it weighs, because it's worth a lot more like that. So we'll have a look, shall we? That's in ounces. 6.24 ounces. So, yeah, what is that we need? Well, both three of them to make a pound. So, I mean, for a couple minutes. It only took me 5 seconds to pound that out. So, yeah, that helps. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever. Alright, see you guys. Oh, just a tip here too. There's two different kinds anyway, what I found. There's these ones that I pounded out, and then these ones that have an inset. So, you see that? I've just taken my flathead screwdriver. You get it in there, and you start prying around, and the more you work at it, that little ring, and you should probably all wear gloves too, because yeah, because of that, until you can get a bit of a grip on it. Now I could probably be using, oh, there it comes. Now if you can get a grip on it, And that pops right out. Brass. Come on, man. And that pops out. Clean brass. Just like that. Weigh this one, see how much this one, I think this one weighs a little more than this one. Yeah, that's 7.66 ounces. So 14 ounces, that's almost a pound right there. So what's that? Couple $3? Just for a couple seconds work? Right on. I'll see you guys later.